Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. So what is this instrument? You will see a long scissor like forceps like thing, but here for this you will see presence of vertical superficial serrations are seen at the blade. This is the blade. On the blade you will see presence of vertical superficial serrations are present. So what is this? This is actually a clamp which is called as doyens intestinal occlusion clamp. This is doyens intestinal occlusion clamp. Doyens intestinal occlusion clamp. So what is the use? It is used to clamp the intestine to prevent spillage of content. It is used to clamp the intestine to prevent spillage of intestinal content. Okay, so this is about doyens intestinal occlusion clamp. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.